Shakas. Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Look at how pretty this packaging looks. It's so spring and festive. I've received something from Ivy Lee Creations. She's here on YouTube. I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below. But hi, hope you're doing well. We've missed you on the YouTube. So, look at even this, fragile. Please don't crush me. I know my package will arrive just fine because you are my delivery hero. Thank you to everyone at USPS. Your hard work is appreciated, Miss Ivy Lee. Oh, that's so sweet of you, girl. Look at this. Congratulations, your Subbie member gift has arrived. Oh, this is such a cute idea. Oh, this is so nice of you. So beautifully packaged. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so beautiful. Subbie benefits, official member. Ivy Lee approved. This is so cute. Love all the packaging. How can I get in this bugger? Let me see. I love it. So pretty. I think this is a charm. Let me just get into it. Oh yeah, because this is staple true. Okay. I love this. Look at how pretty. Girl, thank you. How cute. It's a shaker. Look at the lips and the diamonds. So pretty. It's a, you know, like a resin piece. And look at these cute charms. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Look at how pretty. And this heart, pretty, so beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Oh, this is so sweet of you. Thank you so much, Miss Ivy Lee. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Like I said, go check her out. I know she does have an Etsy shop, so I will leave that link as well as her YouTube channel in my description box below. Look at how beautiful. I'm sure that these types of things is what you can find in her Etsy shop. They're just adorable. And until my next video, shakas!